Hello live wires, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today it's Tip Tuesday. So I've looked everywhere for replacement plugs that can go on these pegs for the Beadle-On Artistic Wire Deluxe Jig Kit, and I even did a tutorial on how to make them with elastics. But I finally found a solution to the problem. So this is an actual plug from the back of the jig, and I ordered some silicone tubing on Amazon. I had actually checked hardware stores, I checked aquarium stores, pet stores, everywhere to find some tube. I even ordered some online and it wasn't the right thing, so this seems to be perfect. So the inner diameter is 2 millimeters and the outer diameter is 4 millimeters, and you would just buy this roll. I'll put the link below where to buy it on Amazon, and if you'd rather buy smaller quantities, I'll put some in my Etsy DIY shop. So just cut it to about the same length that this one is from the kit. It's about 1/4 to 3/8 of an inch, so you're just going to cut some like that, and I'll cut for them and just do a little demo of how they're going to work on the jig. So we'll just cut a bunch of those. You could be more precise and get a ruler if you like. So I just trimmed them to about 1/4 inch so they wouldn't be too long, and I'm just going to put them on the backs of the pegs. Now push them right in so they're snug, and you can use a template that comes with the Artistic Wire Deluxe Jig Kit, or I have a bunch of templates in my Etsy DIY shop that match up with the tutorials that I've done. I'll link those up below as well. And so let's just do a really basic kind of configuration, more like a square, and just put the plugs on so they're nice and snug, and then we'll cut some 20 gauge wire. So I just have about 4 or 5 inches of wire. Now the key to using the jig is you want to hold it in place, the wire, and then just bend it around and really like pull it quite snugly, and just straighten this out as you go so it's nice and straight. Push it in, and then we'll go around, okay, and push it down and give it a really good like push to make it snug. And then we're going to bring this one around here. Okay, we'll just bring it around and push it as you go, and then we're going to bring it around all the way down, and you can push it down and then bring it right around here. Straighten it out as you go. You don't want it too wobbly, and bring it, you could even bring it like jump over that peg and back if you want to get it more snug. That's what I do with my homemade jigs, and we're going to bend this one around here, push it down so it's snug, and then this one too. We're going to actually do 2 loops here because we'll stack them up. So we're going to go like that. So now we have our basic shape, and just remove it, and these pegs stayed in place nicely. So now we're going to just bring it over here and trim this one so it's flush, and then this one here we're just going to clip it so it's flush, and then we're just going to push this end there and this end here, and you just would stack these up. In the 10-day bracelet challenge I did some similar types of components. I'll link that video up below as well, but you can see so the edges are nice and straight, and then these just stack up. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art and jewelry, be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. And if you'd like to check out my work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wedding cake toppers and funky jewelry. I also have a mailing list, so if you'd like to sign up below, I'll send you my Wire Art Essentials ebook. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.